Hello, and welcome to eQuoteMD's Medical Malpractice Insurance video blogs. I'm Tim Ryan, and I'm here to answer your medical malpractice insurance questions. Speaking of questions, a very blunt one was sent to me a couple days ago, and I'd like to discuss that with you today, as I feel that it cuts right to the heart of the medical malpractice insurance issue. The question was, Tim, how specifically do I go about lowering a medical malpractice insurance premiums? Like I said, right to the heart of the issue. It's a very good question, and there's a lot of ways to lower your premiums. Today, we're going to talk about the top 4. Now, the first way to lower your medical malpractice insurance premiums is to see if your insurance company offers what's called risk management courses. Now, most insurance companies are going to offer a discount for doctors who take risk management courses. Generally, that discount is going to be somewhere around 5%. Now, these risk management courses are relatively simple for a doctor to complete in order to save the money. Essentially, most of these courses are going to be online, which means that you don't have to go anywhere. Most of the time, these courses are only going to take an hour to 2 hours, which means it doesn't take a lot of your time. Thirdly, most of the time, your courses are going to be free. So, if you don't have to go anywhere, and it's very easy, if it doesn't take very much time, and it's free, it's a really efficient way to save some money on your medical malpractice insurance premiums. The second way to save money is a little more laborious. However, it's going to be more impactful to your practice overall. It's board certification. Now, while that can take a little more time and a little more effort than risk management courses, board certification generally will carry with it certain discounts for some insurance companies. So if you're board certified, you may be able to save some additional dollars on your premium expenses. In addition to that, it seems that the market is going towards focusing on doctors with board certification. For example, there's companies out there that will not consider a doctor who is not board certified. Those companies have the lowest premiums for the most part. Therefore, doctors who are board certified may find themselves having more options than a doctor who's not. The third way to save some money on your medical malpractice insurance premiums is what's called a 5-year claims-free discount. Essentially meaning that you have had no claims for the previous 5 years of practicing. Now, this is especially important for 2 different categories of doctors. The first doctor is the one that is getting out of residency, or the one who just recently has. You will not receive this discount right away because you have not had 5 years of consistent practice in the medical field outside of your residency. So, you're not going to receive it for the first few years, but right around year 4, start asking your broker or the insurance company that you're with if this discount is available and if you're going to qualify for it. Sometimes it may not always be brought up, so take the proactive approach and ask about it. The second doctor that this is going to be important for is a doctor who has had a claim. Obviously, the first couple years after a claim, you may not be eligible for this discount, but as the years go on, make sure that you're asking about it. Make sure that you're asking your broker or the insurance company about this discount and when you're going to qualify for it again so you can start saving money with this discount. Now, the final way to save money on your medical malpractice insurance premiums is to shop the market. The medical malpractice insurance market is dynamic and fluid and ever-changing. You may have the lowest rates this year with the company that you're with, but that could all change next year, and a different company for your specific situation could have the lowest rates. These companies change their rates all the time due to things like tort reform and their own financial positioning, and based on the types of specialties and situations that they are going for in the market. All that to say, everything changes in the medical malpractice insurance market all the time. And if you're not shopping the market at your renewal, you may be missing out on your premium savings. Again, I'm Tim Ryan here with eQuoteMD's Medical Malpractice Insurance video blog. Thank you for your time, and we'll talk to you soon.